Is the Amex annual fee worth paying? Let's run the rewards math in 60 seconds. Start with the annual fee, for example, $695 on a premium Amex card. Compare it to your expected rewards, points, statement credits, and travel perks. Calculate net value, rewards value plus perks minus the annual fee. Assume points are worth 1 cent each and you get $200 in annual statement credits. That means 10,000 points equal $100 plus $200 in credits toward the fee. Total benefits in this example: $100 from points plus $200 credits equals $300. You'd need $395 more value, or 39,500 points at 1 cent each, to break even on $695. Also factor in non-monetary perks like lounge access, elite benefits, and travel insurance. If you assign $250 value to those perks, total benefits rise to $550, closing much of the gap. Decision rule: if your realistic annual credits plus rewards and perks exceed the fee, keep the card. Quick test: add up your annual credits and realistic rewards. If they exceed the fee, keep the card. If not, consider downgrading.